Haven won against Diana.
No way!
Can you believe it? Let's go talk to him.
Yeah!
Haven!
Oh my god!
You made me lose a bet. I thought you were better than that. Get out of your seat. Sucks.
I know, right?
Come here, man. Close the door. Here's a package. That'll be 500. Thank you.
I want a rematch.
Don't touch him!
Let's go.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
What's wrong with
I
him?
know, like, why does he want a rematch? I mean, he knows he's gonna lose anyway. Yeah.
Okay then.
So good.
Ready, set, go!
No.
Right, everyone sit down. Diamond, late again. Get your butt up here. I see the cigarette. Right. Hello. Wakey wakey. Hello. Hello. Hi, welcome to Earth. Next time we'll be on the head. Miss Early is late today, so I'll be your substitute teacher. Today we're learning about the human body.
How about your body, miss?
Study it later. Anyway, can anyone tell me what this joint is?
The elbow?
Be specific, please.
No, you never teach us that, miss.
Taught. And anyone else? Anyone?
Don't you know it, miss?
I do. I'm
Then
waiting
why are
for
you
some-
asking us if you already know it?
Because I'm testing you.
Why do you want to test us?
To know if you're smart or not. Hong Yao, please see me after class.
Oh, okay.
Right, I'll be putting some things on the board.
Is that guy sleeping over there? Yeah. The
Mickey?
one next to the girl with no
Well, I
shoes.
told you electronics are off.
I don't have an electronic, it's not mine.
Definitely bought
Give
all
it.
your Instagram followers.
I don't have it.
We'll go
Suspended.
on Mondays. Okay, let's go take some shots. Oh no. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Oh wait, never mind. I'm fine.
No.
Right. Turn to pages 6 to 9 and do the work on the worksheet. If you need any help, please look it up yourself.
Why are you looking at me?
Silence, please.
Why are you looking at me? No. Stop looking at me.
Stop talking.
No. Stop fucking looking at me.
Diamond, that's no way to treat this classroom. Come back here. Come back here now. Detention.
We have Diane in 50 years.
50 years.
Look at that. The joint is still in his mouth.
Wakey wakey. Hello. Give me your phone.
What?
I thought I'm seeing you off the class.
You are.
Are we both seeing you after class?
I'm filming!